Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Ampian Academy. We are presenting you the special test series of India State of Forest Report 2021. We will discuss 30 MCQs associated with this report with full description in English. Friends, join our Telegram page, just search Ampian Academy and you will see this logo and there is public channel Ampian Academy, just join there. What you will get there? BPSC exam related news or notification update you will get there. Golden current affair test series topper results is announced there, and then Ampian Academy app courses and YouTube video updates you will get regularly. So please join this public channel of Ampian Academy on Telegram. Let's begin with the first question. What is the percentage forest cover of India? The right answer is option number B, 21.71%. Very dense forest is 3.04%. Moderately dense forest is 9.33%. Open forest is 9.34%. The forest area of India is now 7,13,789 square kilometer. Scrub is 46,539 square kilometer. This is not counted in forest. Which state has the largest forest cover area in India? The right answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. It has 77,493 square kilometer of forest cover area, which is 25.14% of the state. It is followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Remember the difference between forest area and forest cover. Forest area is a legal status of the land as per government records, while the term forest cover refers to the presence of forest on any land. Which state has the highest percentage of forest cover in India? The right answer is option number B, Mizoram. Mizoram has 84.53% of forest cover. Arunachal Pradesh is at second place, Meghalaya third, Manipur fourth and Nagaland fifth. Which union territory has the highest percentage of forest cover in India? The right answer is option number B, Lakshadweep. It has 90.33% of forest cover. The second place is of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The top union territory in terms of forest cover, in terms of area, is Jammu and Kashmir, 21,387 square kilometers. Second place is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which state or union territory has shown the highest increase in forest cover? The right answer is option number C, Chandigarh. In the union territory of Chandigarh, there is an increase of 3.86% of forest cover. As far as state is concerned, the highest is in Telangana, 3.07%. Second place Andhra Pradesh, third place Odisha. Which state or union territory of India has the largest area of mangrove forests? The right answer is option number B, West Bengal. It has 2,114 square kilometer of mangrove forests. South Pargana districts of West Bengal alone has 2,084 square kilometers of mangrove forest. So maximum is in South Pargana district. The second place is Gujarat. Andaman and Nicobar Islands have the largest area of mangrove forest in union territory. Remember this. There has been an increase of 17 square kilometers in mangroves cover of India. The total mangrove cover of India is now 4,992 square kilometers. The area of open mangroves is highest in Gujarat. "17 months of quality current affairs required for 67th BPSC prelims and CDPO exam can be revised entirely in 25 hours. How? First of all, you have to study 17 months for this exam. The reason is in 66th BPSC question was asked till October 2020. So for this exam you have to study current affairs from November 2020. Since the exam is going to be held in April, so you have to study the content till March. How can you revise this entire current affairs in 25 hours? The first content is weekly current affairs test series in MCQs format, national and international. There will be 75 PDFs, 4 PDFs every month, plus 2 years of economic survey, 2 years of budget, Olympic, Paralympics and census 2011. It will take 6 minutes of time for one PDF. So in 7.5 hours, you will be able to revise the entire weekly current affair test series in MCQs format. The second type of content is monthly current affair short notes, national and international. There will be 17 PDFs, one PDF for every month. It will require one PDF 30 minutes. So total in 8.5 hours, you will be able to revise the entire monthly current affair series. Then Bihar monthly current affair short notes and MCQs. There will be 22 PDFs, 17 PDFs for 17 months, plus 2 years of economic survey, budget and census. One PDF will require 25 minutes of time. So it will take about 9 hours to entirely finish this Bihar monthly current affairs. These 3 types of content will take total 25 hours of time. What is the importance of these current affairs? 19 questions tallied in 66th BPSC from these weekly current affairs test series MCQs format. 10 questions tallied from Bihar monthly current affairs. So total 36 questions tallied in 66th BPSC prelims exam from these MPN Academy current affairs PDF notes. About more than 85% questions tallied. In 2021, there was no exam held of BPSC. So Bihar SI exam was held where 86% questions tallied. 31 questions tallied. The video is available on YouTube. On this channel, you can watch it with full details. Friends, how will you get these quality PDFs from November 2020 onwards? Please download the MPN Academy app from the Google Play Store. You will see 4 section. You have to go to store section in the bottom and you have to select the course 67th BPSC CDPO Current Affairs PDF course. This content is made available at a very reasonable price which can be afforded easily by everyone. Payment link is given. Just pay there and you will be enrolled in the course. The contents are provided there very systematically. Friends, please keep it in mind that MCQs will be bilingual in Hindi and English language, but the explanation and short notes will be in Hindi. From January onwards, the content is fully in English. Which tiger reserve has the highest forest cover in India? The right answer is option number B. Pakket Tiger Reserves of Arunachal Pradesh has the highest forest cover of 96.83%. It is followed by Achanak Mar Tiger Reserve of Chhattisgarh. Third place is Simlipal Tiger Reserves of Odisha. For the first time, forest cover has been assessed in Tiger Reserve, Tiger Corridor and Gir Forest where Asiatic lions live. Which tiger reserve of India has the largest population of tigers? The right answer is option number A. Corbett Tiger Reserve of Uttarakhand has 231 tigers, which is highest in any tiger reserves of India. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve of Karnataka is at second place with 127 tigers. Bandipur Tiger Reserves of Maharashtra is at third place with 126 tigers. No tiger has been found in Dampa, Baksa and Palamu Tiger Reserve. The reference of the data in this is from Tiger Census 2018. According to this, India stands for 70% of the world's total tiger population. In India, the tiger population is 3,890. Second place, Russia. Third place, Indonesia. In terms of area, which of the following is the largest tiger reserve of India? The right answer is option number D. Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. It has an area of 3,296 square kilometer. Manas Tiger Reserve of Assam is at second place and Indravati Tiger Reserve of Chhattisgarh is at third place. The smallest tiger reserve of India is Orang Tiger Reserve of Assam. It has only 492 square kilometers of area. The highest tiger density per 100 square kilometer is in Corbett Tiger Reserve, which is 14. What percentage of India's forest area is affected by forest fires? The right answer is option number C. 35.46%. Out of this, 2.81% is extremely fire prone, 7.85% is very high fire prone, and 11.61 is high fire prone. What is the percentage tree cover of India? The right answer is option number A, 2.91%. The total tree cover of India is estimated at 95,748 square kilometer, and there has been an increase of 721 square kilometer of tree cover with respect to 2019 report. Which state has the highest percentage tree cover in India? The right answer is option number B, Kerala. It has 7.26% of tree cover. It is followed by Goa 6.59%, third place Chhattisgarh 3.96%, Maharashtra at 4th, and Karnataka at 5th place. Which state has the largest tree cover in India? The right answer is option number C, Maharashtra. It has 12,108 square kilometers of tree cover area. Second place is of Rajasthan, third place Madhya Pradesh, fourth Karnataka, and fifth Uttar Pradesh. Which union territory of India has the highest percentage tree cover? The right answer is option number C, Chandigarh. It has a tree cover of 13.16%, which is highest. Second is Delhi, 9.91%. Third place Jammu and Kashmir. Which union territory of India has the largest tree cover area? The right answer is option number D, Jammu and Kashmir, 3,511 square kilometer of tree cover. Second place is Ladakh, third is Delhi, fourth is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Which state or union territory has the lowest tree cover? The right answer is option number C, Lakshadweep. It has lowest tree cover both in terms of area, which is just 0.05 square kilometer, and percentage term it has only 0.17%. Among states, Sikkim has the lowest tree cover both in terms of area, only 39 square kilometers, and in percentage term it has only 0.55%. What percentage of the geographical area of India is covered by tree outside forest, TOF? The right answer is option number D, 8.91%. If you remember, tree cover of India is 95,748 square kilometers. Tree cover outside recorded forest area is 1,97,159. If you add this, the figure will come 2,92,907 square kilometer, and this is the tree outside forest, TOF, which is 8.91% of geographical area of India. Friends, if you want to know how is your preparation of current affairs for 67th BPSC prelims exam and Bihar CDPO prelims exam, then this course is ideal for you. Golden Current Affair Test Series. What you will get in this? There will be 25 questions. One question will consist 50 MCQs. So overall you will get 1250 cream questions selected from 17 months required for 67th BPSC prelims exam from November 2020 to March 2022. Questions are selected from Bihar national and international current affairs. You will get 40 minutes of time to solve one question paper of 50 MCQs. How can you get this course? Go to the Google Play Store, download the MPN Academy app, and on the store section, the course is mentioned Golden Current Affairs Test Series. Free demo test is made available on the app portal. You can try and check for yourself whether your preparation of current affairs is solid or not. At the end of every test, you will get the result. Which state has the largest extension of trees out of forest area in India? The right answer is option number C, Maharashtra. It has tree out of forest area of 26,866 square kilometer. Second place is Odisha. Third is Karnataka. In terms of percentage of geographical area, Union Territory of Lakshadweep has the highest percentage of TOF, which is 90.50%. It is followed by Kerala and Goa. What is the growing stock of India's forests? The right answer is option number C. 4,388 million cubic meter. What is growing stock? Growing stock is the volume of all living trees in a forested area. Growing stock in trees outside the forest area is 1,779 million cubic meter. When you add both these figure, the amount will come 6,167 million cubic meters. The growing stock in India's forest is estimated at 56.60 cubic meters per hectare. Which state has the highest growing stock of India's forests? The right answer is option number D. Arunachal Pradesh. Top 2 state in growing stock is Arunachal Pradesh, 418.99 million square kilometer. Second number is of Uttarakhand, 401 million cubic meter. The top union territory in terms of growing stock of forest is Jammu and Kashmir. Top state in India in growing stock of tree outside forest is Maharashtra. Top union territory in growing stock in trees out of forest area is again Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has the highest growing stock in India's forest and trees out of forests? The right answer is option number C. Chhattisgarh. Top 2 states in total growing stock in forest and trees outside of forest area is Chhattisgarh with 506.94 million cubic meter. Second number is of Madhya Pradesh. Top union territory in total growing stocks in forest and trees outside of forest is J&K. Remember this. What is the bamboo bearing area in India? The right answer is option number B, 1,49,443 square kilometer. According to India State Forest Report 2019, the figure was 1,60,037 square kilometer. So there is a reduction of 10,594 square kilometer. Which state has the largest bamboo bearing area in India? The right answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. It has a bamboo bearing area of 18,394 square kilometers. Second place is of Arunachal Pradesh, third place Maharashtra, and fourth is at Odisha. Top union territory in bamboo bearing area in India is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In which state the maximum number of green combs of bamboo have been found? The right answer is option number D, Arunachal Pradesh. It has 7,455 million green combs. Second place is Assam, third place Madhya Pradesh, fourth Odisha. Most of the dry combs were found in Madhya Pradesh. The number of bamboo in India has increased by 13,882 million. In which state has the maximum area of pure bamboo been found? The right answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh, 847 square kilometers. Second place Maharashtra and third place is Chhattisgarh. Largest area of dense bamboo, scattered bamboo, bamboo present but comes completely hacked and regenerated bamboo crop are present in Madhya Pradesh itself. The total carbon stock in India's forest is estimated to be how much million tons? The right answer is option number D, 7,204 million tons. Forest carbon stock refers to the amount of carbon that have been removed from the atmosphere and is now stored within a forest ecosystem, primarily within living biomass and soil, and to a lesser extent in wood and waste. The carbon stock of the state of Arunachal Pradesh was the highest in the country? Which edition of India State of Forest Report ISFR is published in the year 2021? The right answer is option number D. It is the 17th edition. This is an assessment of the forest and tree cover of India. This report is published biennially by Forest Survey of India. The first survey was published in the year 1987. What is the increase of forest area in the tiger corridors between the year 2011 to 2021? The right answer is option number A. 37.15 square kilometer. Forest area in tiger corridors increased by 0.32% but decreased by 22.6 square kilometer in tiger reserves. Where is the headquarters of Forest Survey of India FSI located? The right answer is option number B. Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand. It comes under the Union Ministry of Environment and Forests. Established on 1st June 1981, the Forest Survey of India succeeded Pre-Investment Survey of Forest Resources PISFR, a project initiated by the Government of India in 1965 with the sponsorship of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, and UNDP. Friends, the PDFs of all the current affairs published on this YouTube channel MPN Academy can be found with full description on MPN Academy app. How can you get that? This has already been informed to you. Friends, with the help of these PDFs, you can revise this video content in just 5 to 6 minutes. It will save a lot of time and you can focus on the static portion. This is very important. Let's discuss the last question. Which state has recorded the maximum reduction in forest cover? The right answer is option number D. Arunachal Pradesh. It has a decrease of 257 square kilometers of forest. The maximum reduction in forest cover has occurred in the 5 northeastern states. First number is Arunachal Pradesh, second number Manipur, third Meghalaya, fourth Mizoram, and fifth Nagaland. Among the union territories, the reduction in forest cover has been recorded only in Delhi, 0.23%. In terms of area, it is 0.44 square kilometers. Friends, with this, we are wrapping up this edition of special test series. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please write down your score in the comment section. All the best for your exam preparations.